Ibandla likaJesu livela esibelethweni sikamoya.
The church of Jesus comes from the womb of the Spirit.
Lizelwe ngomoya.
It is birthed by the Spirit.
Alikho ngaphandle kamoya engcwele.
It doesn't exist without the Holy Spirit.
Noma selizelwe selikhona,
Even though it has been born and it is there,
alikwazi ukuqhubeka libe effective uma lo olizele limshiye ngemuva.
it can't continue in amandla if the one who gave birth to it is left behind.
So livela esibelethweni sikamoya.
It comes from the womb of the Spirit.
Ukuhamba kwalo
Its walk,
lifeza iassignment yalo.
it fulfills its work.
Alikwazi ukufeza ubizo lwalo ngaphandle kamoya ongcwele.
It cannot fulfill its calling without the Holy Spirit.